Hey Travis, what we making today?
Hang on, wait.
What we making today?
We making pizza.
We making pizza?
That will get us put on a list.
Oh God.
In from the Italian government.
It's made with children. No, I'm joking. What is it made with, Travis? Tell the people.
With the tears of Italian grandmothers.
Let me show you what it's made out of. The other day, or earlier today, what is it? I made ranch. And not just any ranch, homemade ranch. I made it, so yeah, it's homemade. Anyways, Travis had the idea.
It's homemade because you a hoe.
I can't believe you just said that. We're making the ranch. The ranch is gonna be the sauce. He made this. He thought of this. He had a nightmare about nothing. Never mind. I'm just gonna be honest with you. His autism was what made him do this, and I'm all down for it because I'm autistic as shit. All right, I will be back. Oh, also, this is his homemade dough. This is my homemade ranch. We put jalapenos on that bad boy. We get the mozzarella. You know, this reminds me of like a worse Alfredo pizza. Whatever you say. Where is it? Where is it? We can't have a pizza without sliced pepperoncinis.
I think we have another joke.
We have another pepperoncinis?
Maybe not.
Oh, we're running out of pepperoncinis.
Did we really go through them that quick?
We got all the ingredients out. Is this really all the ingredients?
Yeah.
This is all we need? Mm-hmm. Okay. This is gonna be a white pizza. Any last words before we piss off a whole nation?
Actually, I'll start with a question. Are firearms legal in Italy? So you want spray the pan?
You go spray the pan. Okay.
A little bit of flour on that.
Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh God. That looks so good. I hear the gas coming out of the farting. Do it fart? Yeah, I do. Oh man. Oh man. Oh Lord.
Oh no, I almost lost it.
There we go, lads. Thank you, Travis.
Paid for the whole pan. I'm gonna use the whole pan.
Yes, sir. I liked it. I like it a lot.
Actually, I didn't pay for any of this.
You stole it. He stole it.
All right, here's the part where we get put on a list.
Oh, good Lord. This is the part everyone's been waiting for. Are you gonna use a spoon or are you just gonna dump it out on there and use your hands like an animal? We're using only a spoonful? Yeah.
Just one little spoonful of ranch on this.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What do you think? Do you think this? I think it needs more.
I think you need to coat it. So you know how you have ranch with your pizza? We're not gonna need ranch with this pizza. You know what we need to use? Marinara sauce for the dip. Dude, we just
a little bit more, I think.
Man, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. This is my kind of diet right here. Spread it around. Spread it around. Nice. Now, here's the real question: Do the pepperonis go on the bottom?
Always on top.
Always on top
with the crispy
on top of the cheese. Oh yeah. This is probably the best grater. It catches it. Look at it.
And
it catches it in it.
The things go both ways.
It goes both ways, and on the bottom of this bad boy, there's little
Twice
grips.
as fast.
Yeah, there's little grips that grip the table, so you don't have to like, so it doesn't slide around. I mean, look at that form. Good gravy.
You lose a little bit on top.
Yeah, you lose a little bit. But that's okay. It's a
That's
little
when you
snack.
just do one of these.
Yeah, I like it. And here it brings up another discussion. Do you coat the pepperonis evenly, or do you just slam them on there?
You just go.
You just go. I like it. You just slam it on there. The pizza man himself.
We ain't working at Domino's.
Yeah, we're working at Domino's. We ain't working at Domino's. See that over there? So let me give you a little bit of backstory about Travis here. He was once a Simple Simon's worker. Man was in the trenches for a long time. Imagine making pizza every day. He was in the trenches for a long time.
When they train you there, they tell you put exactly 40 pepperonis on the pizza, evenly spread out. See, that's not how you do it.
It's like Nazi Germany all over again, man. I'm telling you. Like I said, he was in the trenches. He was in trench warfare, fighting the U.S. The U.S. was Cheesy's though, which is owned by the same company.
And I worked at Cheesy's also.
Oh yeah, he's a traitor to Nazi Germany, but that's okay. Any pizza making advice from a professional?
Put a lot of cheese on it.
I like it. Put a lot of sauce on it too. I like me a saucy pizza, especially when it's ranch. Honestly, by the way, the best sauce to put on a pizza is Alfredo sauce. Let's be real.
Depends.
It's the best. Like it's more. I don't know, man. There's something about it. But if
it's like chicken pizza,
chicken, yeah. If you're putting chicken on it, but
or
like
anything else, no.
But like, there's something about like there's this place called Napoli's.
But you can get Alfredo.
Yeah, you can chicken Alfredo on their pizza. It's really good. But also, if you get a pepperoni pizza there with the just the regular whatchamacallit? The marinara. It's really good. I mean, both of them are really good. I really like the Alfredo sauce though. But we're breaking the law. That's a almost a whole stick. Almost a whole stick.
This is a big pizza.
This is a beefy pizza. How much cheese did you use on a pizza when you were at Simple Simon's?
I can't remember. I don't know. Like this is pretty close. Maybe this is a little bit more. See, this is 8 ounces right here. We're using the whole thing.
Damn. And we had a little extra too. Let me just look at it. Just look at that bad boy. Mr. Cheesy. Cheese, oh my lord. Put it on, yeah. And we're gonna melt the cheese first a little bit before I put the pepperonis on, or just gonna slap the pepperonis on there? I don't like it. We're gonna put the pepperonis on there. Like right now. See, this is how you properly put them on there, okay? You just kind of pow, 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 pow. You know what I mean? Palm, skadoosh, leopard seed. Putting the jalapenos on there. Finish it off. It's a good drink. And what we do with this? We take this and we put it up on the thing. And this is what I drink sometimes. That's not mine. I just like wine bottles. This was absolutely disgusting. This is awful. Never get that. That's disgusting. Really like Red Bull. Trulies are pretty good. Dr. Pepper. That's water. And that's milk.
Mario milk.
Yeah, Mario milk and Tyler water.
You got it.
Oh yeah, we gotta explain.
There's the Mario milk right there.
This is Mario. March 10th.
This is legitimate Mario milk.
Yes.
Shoot me an offer if you want this. This collector's
10 grand. And then Tyler water.
The Tyler water.
Oh, good lord.
Right there, we got the Tyler water.
Tyler water. And then Volkswagen bus. By the way, Volkswagen buses are some of the coolest vehicles you can ever get. I only drive vehicles from the 80s. That's from the 70s. I have a Land Cruiser because I'm an off-road type kind of guy, you know what I mean? But Volkswagen bus, ideally, I want to live out of one of those at some point. Not for like a long time because I don't like smelling bad because you can't take showers on the road that much. But ideally, I want to like live out of it for like a few months. I want to go on like a little road trip. What do you think, Travis? Think that'd be pretty cool?
I would.
Oh my goodness, coat it, come on. Don't be shy. But anyways.
Let's not tell that story.
All right, never mind. All right, we're gonna put it in. Let me get this for you, gentlemen. Gentleman, if you will.
And we got the pizza stone.
Oh, we got a pizza stone. Yay. You gonna take that bad boy out?
Since we got big boy pizza. I'm gonna get rid of that.
Oh my gosh. That thing's hot.
Alright. There she goes in.
Alright, let's see it. Let's see it, Travis. Let's see it. Oh my gosh. Put it in there. Alright. We'll let it cook. Oh my goodness, we got a light now. Alright, we're gonna let that bad boy cook. We'll be back in,
we should do a time lapse.
Alright. Oh my goodness.
Once it starts getting brown a little bit.
Take it off the pan.
If I can do this without ruining the pizza. There we go.
Good gravy. Alright, put it back down here for more of the time lapse. Alright, lads. Let's take it out now. Travis is readying his equipment.
I need your assistance on this.
What do you need? Brilliant execution. Magnificent. All right, we're gonna cut it and then give you our thoughts on ranch pizza. Almost forgot. We're gonna put garlic butter on it. About to put garlic butter on it. Just heat up butter, put garlic and basil in it, then.
We didn't even do that. We're going. No caveman.
Caveman? Oh my gosh, I know what he's about to do. I know it. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. No, he didn't. He's buttering that bread. He's buttering that bread. He's buttering that bread. All right. We'll let you know how it tastes. You also gotta take a look at the bottom. See it? Oh my god.
That's pretty solid.
That's pretty good. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. All right. Slice right here. All right. Get over here,
Have to pull
Travis.
Tyler one and be like, look at this.
Look at it. All right. So this is the final product. It looks pretty good. I honestly don't. It smells not as strong as a regular pizza.
Yeah.
So
I smell the jalapenos.
there's ranch on it. Where it's ranch for the sauce, and we're about to try it. Give us the first thoughts. That's not bad.
Maybe more ranch next time.
Yeah, more ranch next time. It's kind of weak. That ranch holds heat really well. Damn near burnt my tongue. We got marinara right here. So we'll try it with marinara. Honestly, it tastes like cheese bread. It's just like fancy cheese bread. It's really good, very cheesy. I mean, you can see like the cheese is just like the cheese is brown and perfect.
It's just subtle, but it's good.
It's subtle, but yeah, it's really good. Honestly, yeah, probably put a little bit more on it. Yeah, no, it's pretty good. I have no complaints. What do you think, Travis?
I'll give it 7.9 out of 10.
I think out of all the pizzas that we made, it's probably low on the list because it's not as strong. But I mean, it's pretty good still. Yeah, I mean, I enjoy it. Pretty good pizza. I'm gonna eat more. Tea's really good. Always gotta have good sweet tea with your meals, especially dinner. It's mandatory. Yeah, no, I dig it. I think it was a success. I gave it about a 6.9 out of 10.
Okay. I also dig with the sauce. You get the cold marinara sauce on top with the hot pizza.
Oh yeah, no, it's like it's basically just a cheese stick. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's a cheese
or
stick.
like a calzone.
Or a calzone, but it's not a calzone. A calzone you gotta wrap it. This is more of a calzone now since I'm like folding it. Do you fold your pizza? You don't fold your pizza.
Depends sometimes.
I fold my pizza. If it's a very like floppy pizza, I fold it. If it's a very like I don't fold Costco or Sam's Club pizza. I don't fold that.
I've never had those.
You had? Oh, we need to do one of those. Whoo! I'm sweating. It's good.
Maybe we make calzone next.
Next video. Next video, we're making calzone. Or not, and we're gonna do something completely different. Because I never know when I'm gonna make these videos. I'm like, I got a job. I'm going to college. So I mean, like, I don't ever know. Okay, well, I guess that's it. I'm gonna enjoy this pizza with my man right here, my homeboy right here, and we're gonna.
Dude, just look at the bottom of that.
Yeah,
It's perfect.
look, the bottom's really good. Also, it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, motherfuckers. Much love. I love you all.
I should have made a heart-shaped pizza.
That would have been sick. We should have done that. Damn. All
Cut the
right.
video. We're starting.
All right. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day. You're not gonna see this on Valentine's Day, by the way. But I hope you had a wonderful Valentine's Day. I'm always alone on Valentine's Day. That's no big deal. The voices are always with me. Everyone have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Monday morning.